Hey there, Aurelie here from withhisgifts.com. Welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a new tutorial for you and we're going to create these gorgeous little bag toppers and chocolate treat bags. So let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm going to use the My Valentine collection by Simple Stories. This collection is absolutely gorgeous. It is jam-packed with hearts and roses and vintage images, all the things that I love. I won't be using all of it, but I have picked some of my favorite pieces and we're going to use those today. From the paper collection, I have a piece here that is cut at 4 1/4 by 5 3/4. I have 6 pieces also from the paper collection, each cut at 1 by 3 inches. There's a piece here that is cut at 1 1/4 inch by about 4 1/2, and then I flagged my corners using my triple banner punch from Stampin' Up. Next I have a Martha Stewart blue doily from Michaels. I have half of a Sunny Side Up Bakery 4-inch doily from Hobby Lobby. I have a sequence mix here that I'm going to use, and I'll put down the actual sequence colors that I used in the description box down below, along with all the other supplies that I'm using today. I have a piece of the Stampin' Up polka dot tulle ribbon that I'll be using. And these are the lovely chipboard pieces that I selected for my bag topper. I'll be using Stampin Dimensionals and Stampin' Up tear and tape adhesive. My art glitter glue. I have 6 Hershey's Nuggets that I'll be using today. And I'll also be using my glue gun. Alrighty, fasten your seatbelts because this project is going to go fast. I have my little Hershey Nuggets here and then the little 1 by 3 pieces of paper that I cut. I'm going to put my glitter glue. I'm just going to put a little bit on the front to kind of hold my paper in place. Then I'm going to center this like so. Hold it for a second because it will dry quickly. Like so. Then we're going to flip this over. I'm going to put some glue on the end here. Just a little bead across the end. And I'm going to bring that around the back and hold the two together. And it doesn't matter if they're straight, at least for this video. If I was working without the camera running, look as I attempt to straighten it out. If I was working without the camera running, I would be perfect. But I'm not, so there we go. But this is what this adorable little Hershey's Nugget looks like after it's all wrapped in hearts. So I'm gonna do the rest just like that, and I'll be right back. And here are all my nuggets wrapped in this lovely paper. Next I'm going to grab my tear and tape, double-sided tape, find my end here, and I am going to grab a little piece and put it behind each piece, just like that. So after I have tape on the back of each of my little nuggets, I'm going to peel away the backing, if I can grab it. Come on. Come on. Okay. So just like that. So I'm leaving the tape behind, and I'm going to do that to the rest of them. Okay, so I have exposed the tape on the back of all my nuggets. I'm going to grab the 4 1/4 by 5 1/4 piece of the cardstock. And then I am going to just lightly put them like so. And again, I'm going to need this for a reference point. So I'm lining them up. I think it's a little bit further in, like so. Right there. Make sure, see what I did? Make sure your hearts are facing the right way. We don't want any upside down hearts. Okay. So just like that. Next side. So just kind of placing them on the paper without pressing down, to make sure that we're going to get them straight, or at least as straight as we can. And when it looks good, go ahead and press down. Okay, so now we are going to set this aside and work on our bag topper. Yay! So here are all the pieces that I'm going to need for my bag topper. I'm going to start with the blue doily, and I am going to fold it over like so. Okay. Next thing I am going to do is grab this lovely doily here, half of the doily, and I'm going to grab some more of my tear and tape. I'm going to put some tape right across the top like that. Peel off my backing. Then I'm going to line this up center and along the top, just like that. So next, what I am going to do is grab this piece here, and I'm gonna grab some more of my tape. Put some across the back like that. Peel off my backing. I'm telling you, I told you this was gonna move quickly. Peel off my backing, and then I am going to center that across the front like that. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, so then some more tape, about that much. I'm going to put it right down the middle, right here in the center of that layer that we just put down, and I am going to lift that up. Ooh, this tape doesn't like me, right? Then I have this beautiful polka dot tulle ribbon. I'm going to center that, press that into the adhesive, just like that. All right, next we are going to grab our glue dots, and I am going to, let's see where I need to put these. So, okay, just want to make sure that I am putting them where they're needed and not gonna extend. Okay, we're kind of good right here. So about 4 of them like that. Oh, I was off camera, but 4 of them like that. And then let's peel off these backings. Then I'm going to grab my glue gun and then put a little bit of glue on each of those adhesives, just extra precaution so they can stay put. I'm going to flip this beauty over, and I am going to set it down. Oh, come on. I want it to go up a little bit higher. Just like that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I'm going to put some dimensionals on this side of this heart. We're going to lay that across like that. So I'm taking off my backings, I think. Some hot glue. We're going to flip that over. And we're going to put that right about there. Okay. Then this one is going to just lay on top of that. So all we need is a little bit of glue gun. Not glue gun, but a little bit of hot glue on the back of it. And then we're going to layer it right like that. Isn't that pretty? And then this little piece here, I am going to do a little bit of surgery on my dimensionals. I need just a little bit like so on this side here, because it's going to extend just a little bit, and actually probably don't need that much, so about that much on this end here, like that. Take off my backing, some hot glue. Okay, then I'm also going to put just a little dab of hot glue on this side as well, just a little. We're going to carefully flip that over, and we're going to place it right across the front of those hearts, just like that. And just like that, this bag topper is finished. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's go ahead and put our treat bag together. So for that, I have this clear bag. Okay. And I have my lovely little chocolates. I'm going to slide those in like so. And before I get too far, I'm going to grab some of this sequins mix, and I'm going to just pour some right in the middle. We can shake it up later. So then we're going to slide that all the way to the top. I'm going to carefully flip this on the back, take off the backing from our clear bag, and close it shut, just like so. So then when we flip this back over, there's the lovely sequins. The last thing to do is to put this lovely topper up top, and for that I'm going to grab some more of my tape. I'm going to flip this open. I'm going to put some tape right about there on both sides, and I will peel off the adhesives, or not the adhesive, we need the adhesive. I'm going to peel off the backing like so. Alright, then we shall place this up top. Go ahead and center that. Don't stick yet. We're going to center that right across the top of this lovely chocolates. And there we go. Super duper easy, super duper quick, and super duper cute. That is all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, please leave me a comment down below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thank you and have a great day.